Why did the Light Fury attack Hiccup? In How to Train Your Dragon, this moment feels random, but it isn't. The Light Fury never hated Hiccup personally. She hated what he represented. From her point of view, humans were hunters, cages, and control. So when she first saw Hiccup and Astrid, she didn't see friends. She saw danger. That's why she ran. But she didn't disappear. She watched them from a distance. And here's the key detail most people miss. When they search for the hidden world, the Light Fury believes Toothless is being controlled. To her, Hiccup isn't a partner. He's a master holding Toothless back. So when she gets the chance, she attacks and knocks Hiccup away, trying to free him. But then everything breaks her logic. Toothless doesn't leave. He turns back. He saves Hiccup. That's the moment she understands the truth. Toothless wasn't staying because he was owned. He stayed because he chose to. They weren't rider and dragon. They were family.